Hello, and welcome to this exploration of the free 5-day challenge that we offer at the morriganintensive.com website. So, to sign up for this, you go to morriganintensive.com and then you can just click on 5-day challenge. So, what you see here is, are you seeking to deepen your relationship with the Morrigan? Our challenge is designed to help you develop a daily practice and build or strengthen your relationship with the Morrigan. Over the course of 5 days, we'll be examining the manuscript text of the Tán Bó Cúailnge, the cattle raid of Cooley, for specific mentions of the Morrigan and her sisters, then focusing it through meditation and prayer. So you just put in your name and your email here because we do need to access, obviously, the challenge, how the challenge works, go through there. And you're giving yourself the gift of 5 days. But what I want to do is take you behind the scenes. So each day you receive a short piece of devotional text to read, think about, and meditate on. You can also write it out in your own hand if that would be useful to you. And that evening at sunset or just before bed, you read and think or meditate on the devotional excerpt again and say a short prayer to the Morrigan, which is provided. Then go to sleep with your journal or recording device tool of preference close at hand. When you wake up in the morning, you record a stream of consciousness flow in your journal and use the prompt provided in the previous day's email for inspiration. So there's a real flow, as mentioned there, between the 5 days that you'll be doing this challenge. But again, I wanted to show you what it looks like behind the scenes. So let's have a look. So once you're in, like I said, you have to enter your email, you have to confirm, you have to do all those things. Make sure you check your email for emails from morriganintensive.com. Now, the intensive is a bigger 6-month program. Obviously, this is not you signing up for the Morrigan Intensive. But when you sign up for the 5-day challenge, you will receive information and resources as you go through. We only open the intensive program once per year. It is a 6-month program. It's very hefty, it's very intense, as the name would suggest. But what we're trying to do here is offer community service and make sure that people have the tools and the resources available to develop a relationship with the Morrigan. Whether you join the intensive at any point or not is irrelevant because this free 5-day challenge is available to you. So immediately you'll be able to access the introduction and resources. So there's a little welcome, there's a little bit about me, your guide, Lora O'Brien, what to do now, right? And resources. So you've got some access to stuff on the very first day when you sign up. But then the following day, what I really want you to do is to prepare yourself for what's coming. People kind of sign up in the flush of things and then they don't actually do the work. So I wanted you to just take a breath, go through the resources, find your feet, make sure that you know what you're looking at, all the rest of it. And then we go into day one. So you'll receive access to a new section each day. You get the lore and then homework and discussion. You get the evening prayer. Same, it's a different piece of lore every day. Morrigan and Cuchulainn, the conversation. So day one is the bull. Then you've got the conversation with Morrigan and Cuchulainn. Then day 3 is the healing of the Morrigan with Cuchulainn. Then there's the March of the Companies. And then there is the Muster of the Men of Ireland. So these are 5 times that the Morrigan shows up in the Tán Bó Cúailnge. So you don't have to read the entire Tán Bó Cúailnge. You can just go through this and get your feet wet, as they say. So if you want to sign up, again, you go to morriganintensive.com, you click on the 5-day challenge button and you put in your email and your name here and just click take the challenge. We won't ever send you spam. You can unsubscribe at any time. This is Lora O'Brien from the Irish Pagan School, offering you yet another free resource that we have available for anybody who wants to develop their authentic connection to Ireland. So, slán go fóill, and I will see you in the next video.